month started with a major milestone, and work progressed from there across the project's footprint. I'm Tom Fuchs, Senior Construction Manager with the Metro Flood Diversion Authority, with your latest FM Area Diversion construction update. We begin our tour at the Red River structure, where the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, Ames Construction, and numerous other partners and elected leaders gathered to mark the rerouting of the Red River through the structure. It was a rare occurrence and a significant milestone that brought more than 100 people together to witness and celebrate as speakers shared comments while the 50-foot wide gates slowly opened. Work continues at several reaches of the southern embankment, a 22-mile earthen levee which will operate in conjunction with the control structures to hold back floodwaters during significant flooding. Immediately west of the Red River structure, we see Reach SC3 of the southern embankment underway. With portions of the embankment already constructed, crews are now excavating for and relocating utility lines that will pass up and over the embankment. 7 different utilities are being relocated in the early phases of the project to make way for County Road 81 to cross up and over the embankment later. About 6.5 miles south and east in Minnesota at the Clay and Wilkin County line, we get our first look at progress on Reach SC5 of the southern embankment. Crews are excavating a temporary channel and making final preparations for diverting Wolverton Creek. Once diverted, existing culverts will be replaced with a new double cast-in-place concrete box culvert that will pass under the county road, which will serve as the eastern tieback levee of the southern embankment. Work continues across the footprint of the stormwater diversion channel as well. At the Cheyenne River Aqueduct, where the Cheyenne River will flow over the channel, ASN Constructors is placing concrete for the flume and conduit structure as well as the wing walls. They also started to excavate and place sheet pile at the Aqueduct's spillway. Just a few miles north, in Channel Reach 13, ASN Constructors is coordinating utility relocations of its own. Our drone view captures crews installing conductors for another one of 12 overhead power transmission lines that are being relocated. A little north of there, we can see excavation taking place in Reach 11 of the channel. Excavation work continues on the main channel with material placement in both the levee and the excavated material berms, which flank both sides of the channel. Just west of the FM Metro, progress continues at the I-94 crossings. ASN Constructors is building roadway approach embankments, placing and finishing the aggregate base, and preparing to begin concrete paving for the new westbound lanes. Railroad crossings also continue under construction. Girders were placed this month at the BNSF KO crossing, and work progressed at the BNSF Prosper crossing, where the bridge deck was placed. Numerous river and drain inlets, which will permanently intercept and move runoff into the stormwater diversion channel, are also under construction. At the Rush River Inlet, crews are installing close to 15 acres of riprap and a series of 23 boulder weirs, which will protect the open channel inlet and reduce velocity as water flows downward into the diversion channel. Work has also progressed on the maintenance road bridge nearby. It's one of 9 that will provide access to the channel right-of-way for project operations and maintenance. For more updates on construction progress and the people making it happen, follow the project on social media.